Siya ngunit ang dami na magkagaw. Di ba siguro ang nararamdaman ako para ilipin na
All I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror. So foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, you can be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes my suffocate. Gotta change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray. All I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. But I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to...
Pero parang pamilyar sa akin ha. Ako din eh. Sino kaya to? Lagi sila no? Lagi sila? Sino kaya yan? Mga kakasal yan? Kakasal sila? Feeling ko din eh. Grabe yung ngiti. May diin yung ngiti. Sino may mga singsing nila oh? Ano? Sino may mga singsing nila? May singsing na sila dyan? Ayaw nga. May diin ah. Asan na ba yan? Ang landi ng dalawa. Grabe no? Ang sweet pala nila sobra. Landi.
Ano bang pake mo kung gusto kita? Eh di gumanti ka. Wala ka pala eh.
Monetize na. 50 cents. Sana po ma-approve na yung monetization. Si Piang! Wala ba si Piang?
Tita, happy birthday!
Tomando cor, cê sabe que eu tô gostando. Oi, mina com bumbum preparada, vem me empurrando. Me coloca com calma pra não entrar machucando. Me coloca com calma.
Vai ficar de toma, toma.